In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GrokFree for free. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the site, sign in, and start getting helpful answers from your prompts with confidence. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Grok website. Take a second to confirm you're on the real page. Check the URL, look for the secure connection indicator, and avoid any unofficial links. A stable internet connection helps the page load smoothly, and bookmarking the site can save you time the next time you visit. Once the home page loads, look for the Login or Sign In button, usually at the top right. Click it and sign in to your existing account. If your browser asks to save your credentials, only do so on a trusted device. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to the chat interface without needing to do anything else. Keeping your account secure protects your conversations and settings, so it's worth taking a moment to make sure you're on a safe network before you proceed. After you're signed in, you're ready to use GrokFree for free. You'll see a text box where you can enter your prompt. A prompt is simply your question or instruction, what you want GrokFree to do. Type clearly and be specific. For example, instead of explain this, try explain the main idea of this paragraph in simple terms and paste the text below it. If you're researching, you can ask for a concise overview. If you're brainstorming, say what you're aiming for, like generate 3 tagline ideas for a study app that emphasizes focus and simplicity. The more context you provide, the better the response. You can set a tone, length, or format, such as keep it under 150 words, or list key takeaways in plain language. When you're ready, press enter. GrokFree will process your request and generate a response right in the chat. If it pauses or you want more, just type continue or refine your prompt with extra details. You can also follow up conversationally, like shorten that, or give an example using everyday language. If something doesn't look right, iterate. Clarify what you need and press enter again. Exploring different phrasings often leads to better results. Keep in mind that free access may have usage limits or occasional wait times, so patience can help during busy periods. That's it. Open the Grok website, log into your account, enter your prompt, and press enter. Enjoy exploring what GrokFree can do for you, and have fun turning your ideas into clear, useful answers.